are not afraid.
It's not possible.
Of course. We are not.
People should keep laughing. Laugh, laugh. I deserve it, so laugh.
But sincerely speaking, are you gonna marry that old man?
God forbid. Chica. How can I marry that old man that sees himself as a god? That would be over my dead body. I can't marry that man. Never.
But you have never disobeyed your parents before.
But, Chica, this is different. Do you know, that man irritates me. He irritates me so much. I can't even look at him. I can't stand him. And I'm in love with Paul. He promised to marry me.
Ha! Paul is poor and incapable. You should also consider that before entering into that marriage.
Oh, I have been considering it ever since I fell in love with Paul. And you know what I concluded? It does not matter if Paul is rich or poor. I am going to marry him because he makes me laugh.
Please! Are you okay? Is it laughter you eat in marriage? See, if you ask me, you need more than laughter to stay in marriage. Chief Agbani is sexy and handsome. Yes.
And you? What do you mean by sexy and handsome?
Oh, money of course. Money makes the world go round. How can a beautiful girl like you stay before? Does Paul have the money to polish you? Do you even look at yourself in the mirror? Oh, please. Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself for saying that. For this God. Oh, don't even say that again. They will laugh at you.
What's your problem, Oluchi? It's everything about money to you?
No, leave her let her talk. It's your mouth. Run it. Say what you like. But let me tell you, let me disappoint you, Oluchi. It doesn't matter if you like Paul or not. It's my life, it's my decision. I love Paul and I am going to marry him. Your approval is not needed. Yes. It's not.
Is it a bad thing for me to look out for my friend?
Madam, look out. Look out for yourself first. Look out for yourself. Please, I'm out. Nonsense.
Did I say anything, bro?
When will you stop being nuts, Oluchi? You can wait for me.
I'm just trying to help a friend. I'm just telling her to push my friend. Like what happened?
You sent for me, sir.
You don't have to talk to Chief Agbani like that. Oh yes. You see, I am the wealthiest man in this community and beyond. In fact, my wealth is so immeasurable that it stretches beyond the shores of this country, international. So when you talk to me with respect. You understand me?
She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful.
Well, I came to meet with you here because my father insisted I come to see you. But it is so obvious you have nothing important to say to me.
Ah, come on, beautiful. So don't be angry. You can't blame me. In fact, if you have just a little of the kind of wealth that I possess, you will sack all the village chiefs. In fact, you will slap the Igwe. So, I mean, just look at me.
What do you want from me?
Now you are talking. Look, I want you to marry. Oh yes. Oh yes. Marry. And if you marry me, there is nothing, absolutely nothing in this world that you will ask for that I will not be able to give. And just check your color and check cocoa butter and oyibo. Our children, they will be so beautiful.
She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful like no one. She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful like
There is nothing that this life can offer that I will not be able to offer.
But I cannot marry you.
Why? Is it because of that riff?
Excuse me? Who do you call a riffraff? Wait, so because you think you have money, you're not a real man, right? Well, I am not surprised. I told Mama that meeting you will amount to nothing good. And you have proven me right. Yes, you have.
I have a lot. I have a lot. In fact, the more you get angry, the more you become beautiful. Just look at you. Look, let me tell you. Think of your family. Think of how I will elevate them with my wealth. And just think of how I will turn your fortune around. Think about it.
Excuse me.
Obadiah, can you see how she just walked out on me?
Calm down, Chief.
Hey!
Calm down, Chief. She's only a woman.
Oh!
And she did what is expected of every other woman. Don't forget that you are the vulture. She will soon fall prey.
No. What? With the kind of wealth that I have, at the mention of my name, any woman will just lie down. What kind of rubbish is it? She walked out on me!
And like I said, Chief, she is yet to know the caliber of man that you are.
Hey!
Time will reveal that to her.
Obadiah. This is Akban. You know, yes, I am well.
You are wealthy. Don't worry. She will fall like every other woman.
Obadiah. This is Chief Akban, the only wealthy man in this community.
She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful like no one. She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful like no one. No woman full of fun.
It's okay. Hello! Pa! Hello. I'm just coming from your shop, but you didn't dare. My mind said you'll be here.
See, my guy, you know, those are my goods. I bought some credit, so I don't like going to shop on time, so that I can win. You know, dodge from my...
Dodge? Hey, yeah. Someone is about to owe you now. Someone is about to dodge your future.
Did you see that man that I do buy goods from? Did he come to my shop?
I'm telling you about what is about to befall you.
What is it?
You're talking about shop.
What happened?
Oh,
Eh?
there's a very big problem.
Well, what is it now?
You remember Chief Agbani?
Chief Agbani. Chief Agbani.
Chief Agbani now, we met on our way that day that we were going to Kechi's place.
Okay, Agbani, the one that has a white beard.
Thank you.
What about him now?
You remember I also asked you what he came to do in this village. You remember, Abi?
Did he come to my shop?
Hey, Polo, information reaching me is telling me that Chief Agbani came to look for a wife in this village.
Oh my goodness. See, for sometimes I don't know if you're high. Is it Igbo? Or did you drink something? If he came to look for a wife, what is my business with that? Let him go and look for a wife.
You don't have to.
How does that concern me?
You don't have to rejoice like that because it concerns you. And guess who the person is? Who? Iruka, your girl.
For my man. See, if it's for life, don't worry. Next week I'll bring life for you. Wait, let me ask you, which of the Iruka? Is it my own Iruka or another Iruka?
Ojuku, let Ojuku came Ojuku si Iruka. I'm telling you now that if you go to Mbaku Junction, you will see them inside Chief Abani's car, kissing, doing pop inside. He pressed me, I pressed you. That's what they are doing there.
My own woman. With another man in his car.
No,
doing pop.
Bobrisky inside the car. Now, if you go there, you will see them inside the car. You're here doing congratulations.
Onitsha people will hear this. Onitsha people will say to this matter now. My woman with another man in his car doing pop. The whole Onitsha will hear this. In my shop. Okay, now.
Wait. My life.
Because
come, Polo, you see next time, next time I will not bring any headline to you. This is how you want it. Polo! Polo! You open the shop and give me one bottle of black.
Iruka, mama, love again. Come on.
Hey! Iruka! Is this how you are?
My love.
Iruka! Who are you calling your love? So this is how you are, eh? This is how you are in this village. Okoya, where is the love you promised me?
What have I done? Why are you talking to me with
Everything we shared in this village, where are they now? Because I do not have money now, you decided to shame me. You decided to disgrace me in this village openly. Okoya, openly.
Baby, why are you talking to me like this? What have I done?
You're asking me. The news is all over this village. Your matter is all over. In fact, it has crossed this village to Onitsha. Everyone now knows that you're following Chief Abani. You're following that man because he has money. He has wealth. He has affluence. You're following him now. You left me. After everything we shared, after everything I did for you, you left me now and follow Chief Abani. So Badro, no problem. Okay? If I've heard, listen, the walls have ears. Eh? The words you see here have ears. I have heard it clear. If you want to break up with me, come to me and tell me that, Paul, you are tired of this relationship. I am tired. Let's move on. And then I will go. Why will you disgrace me in this village? Why? Eh? After giving you chewing off the skin, after everything, after the promises you made to me, you followed Chief Abani and disgraced me in this village. Because I don't have money. So bad, but Chuku, God will help me. I will make money in this village. I will make money.
It's not like that. It's not like that.
It's not like what? It's not like what? Listen, go and follow him. Have Maka. From today henceforth, I do not want to see you again. I do not want to see you again. Have Maka. Follow him.
Wait,
Have Maka. Have Maka. Have Maka.
Baby, wait now. That was what happened.
No.
Please,
Get out.
baby, please now.
Don't touch me.
Please listen to me.
I said do not touch me.
Baby, wait now. Baby, wait.
Let go of me. Don't touch me. What is your problem? Huh? What nonsense do you have to say now? What?
Babe, I don't know what you heard, but if it's about marriage of Agbani, I can't marry that man. See.
Listen, it is crystal clear. Everybody in this village knows the truth, and the news is all around this village saying that he came to propose to you. He will engage you, and you're here saying nonsense.
Babe, look at my hand now. Look at my hand. Did you see any engagement? See, you did not engage me. There's nothing like engagement. If there's ever going to be engagement, it's between both of us. Baby, you know you're my life. I love you.
Don't even come close to me.
My heart
Oh, because he has money, Akwaya. Because he has money. Go and stay with him. Remain with him. Have Maka. Leave me alone. I don't want.
Let me tell you what happened, See, baby, see, it's true, He came to ask for my hand in marriage, but I can never marry that man. Do you know that man irritates me?
Oh,
see,
really?
Baby,
But your parents accepted him with all their hearts. Just go and stay with him now, I do not have money. Go and stay with someone that have money and leave me alone. Let me remain in my poor Richard house. Leave me.
Baby, please, I love you.
You don't know what love is. Love is sweet when there's money. Go and stay with the man and enjoy with him.
Baby, Paul, listen now. You're hurting me. If there's anyone I want to be with, it's you or baby. Baby, please.
Have Maka, go and stay with someone that have money.
Baby! Baby, come now!
Iruka, mama, love again, come on. Iruka, mama, love again, come on. Iruka, baby, finger me, kandara gigi. Iruka, baby, forget it, keep all love, ma.
Chief, do you know why we're here?
I don't know.
Look around. What do you see?
I see a very big farmland.
No. You are not seeing a very big farmland. What you are seeing is a rich land, arable land. In fact, this land made my grandfather the richest man in this community. Oh yes. Nobody cultivates on this land and remains the same.
That's so.
Oh yes. You see this land? 12 acres. Can you see the end?
No.
Good.
But Chief, what my business with all this? What my business with the land?
Uchena,
Chief,
take it.
what did you just say?
The land is yours. Have it.
You want to give me your grandfather's land? How?
And I will sacrifice more. That is, if you agree for me to have your daughter's hand in marriage.
Chief, this is too much. I don't expect it.
Don't mention it. And in fact, if you allow me to marry your daughter, you will be so rich beyond your imagination. In fact, your generation yet to born will not smell poverty again in their lives.
Chief, only for me to allow you to marry my daughter.
Oh yes.
Oh, you're kidding, why you? You have her. Chief, you have my daughter. She will marry you.
Akbar,
You have no problem. I give you my word. You must marry my daughter, Chief.
take it.
I should take the land.
It's all yours.
Chief,
This is Akbar.
you mean it? I should take the land. Hey! 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 All this land. If I want the chief goes here, may God bless you. Hey! Iruka, you must marry him. Elo Charlie Abariono. Hey! Hey, Iruka.
Sweet girl, she's beautiful. She's a sweet girl, she's beautiful like no one.
Go to her house. Go to your house.
I need it's okay now. It's okay. I need both of you to calm down. Eh? Calm down.
But sister, he's accusing me.
Who is accusing you? Who? I am saying the truth. You are a liar and a cheat.
Paul, I said you should shut up.
Women, you are petty lies.
Will you shut up your mouth? Who is women? Who are you referring to? What's your problem? See, I will not have you insult her in my presence. Iroka, stop crying. Just talk to me. What happened?
I don't know.
Then what were you doing inside this car?
I went to the house and my parents sat me down. And only for them to tell me Chief Agbani's intention. That was all. I don't know what Paul had.
Chief Agbani never told you of his.
Liar!
I'm not
You are a liar! 419! Go and stay with Richard.
Sister, let me bust your head. Let me tell you what happened now. Ovokasi, my friend, confidently told me that he saw this girl here with Chief Agbani in his car.
Iroka, is that true?
No, sister, no, it's not true. I only went to meet with him because my father insisted I go and see him.
In his car. It's AC.
No,
shut up! They don't like to me.
Okay, see, I went to tell him that I was not interested.
In his car. You are testing someone else in another man's car.
It's okay.
Don't worry. I will report to Master Tonucha people.
It's okay. Okay. You don't have to explain anything to me. I trust you. I trust you and I know what you can do.
You trust her?
What is wrong?
You trust her?
Will you shut up? Just shut up. Shut up and allow me to talk.
Because what of you look alike? You know
What has gone over you? I Are you trying to tell me that all the time both of you have been together, you cannot explain what your woman can do and what she cannot do?
I don't know.
I know she can't do that to you. And now, I need you to apologize to her.
See, sister, women are like a million. Don't trust her. I don't even trust her.
I said you have to apologize to Ruka right now.
Apologize to Ruka?
Look, I stand as a mother figure to you and your elder sister. I say you should apologize to her. Now.
Sorry.
Hey, Paul. It's okay. Which one is okay? It's okay. My wife is okay. Which one is in there? This your sorry sounds sick. Eh? Is that how to apologize to your woman? For once, be romantic. Eh?
No.
Hey! Stop vibrating now, it's okay. Oh yeah, you. Stand up. Oh yeah, yeah. Apologies to her. It's okay.
I saw.
My wife. Hey, I'm happy now. At least I can go back to kitchen and finish what I was doing. Eh? Let me prepare a goosey soup for you.
I'm sorry.
Because my father said I should go now.
Because I don't have a car, that's why you go to
Baby, I love you. Don't worry, I love you like that.
Don't go there again. Forgive us our baby now. Start crying like
Baby, stop.
Now you're happy, right?
I'm happy.
You're here.
Yes.
Ready.
So, here is the egusi soup. Yummy. Yummy. I'm busy inside the roka, eh? So, enjoy yourselves. Alright. Thank you, sister.
Alright, let's test to Carin. Alright, baby, so wash your hands and eat.
I don't want to eat.
Why?
Babe, but you know you're the one causing all this. If you had done what it expected of you, there will be nothing like Chief Agman.
Maybe you also know why I have not come to see you.
I know. But listen, my love. I don't need you to be the richest man in this land for you to come and marry me. I love you. I need it for you to come and take me away from that house. Because I don't know how long I'll be able to wage this war between my family and Chief Agban.
Okay, baby, listen. I love you too. And I want to make a promise to you here now. I'll come and see your people. Just make my intention known to them. I love you and I'll marry you.
Thank you, baby. I love you too. Thank you.
Okay. So as I was saying, once you come to my my own is just giving my life. I don't want it to you. Hey, come back here. Come back here. This way. Yes, you. Both of you. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year.
You must be Paul.
Yes, I'm Paul. I'm Paul. Sir, can I help you?
Did you hear him? This poor church rat wants to help Agbani, the multiple chief, the only millionaire in this community, in fact, in the country, right? Look, my friend, just look at this car. How much do you think it is worth? Of course, you can't know.
Sir, let me just...
Hey, shut it!
Come back here.
When Agbani is talking, everybody remains quiet and still. So don't even breathe. Now, young man, look at my shoe. This is designers. Over 100,000 naira.
That's right, Chief. You know the shoe.
Oh, you wouldn't know. Of course I know. You wouldn't know. Now, this tire. 200,000 naira. Of course you won't know. A church rat like you want to help me? Look, my friend, even my shadow changes people.
Samir, I want to buy something.
Hey! Come back here.
I don't understand.
Come back here! So the right question you need to ask is, how can I help you? Right?
Sir, I don't know it, please. What is it now? Eh? Sir, please, with all due respect, I don't understand what you're saying. Please, enough of insults.
Hey! Did you hear me? That Akran is insulting. I am made to understand that you are the young man who is trying to confuse my beautiful damsel. I mean, elegant, wonderful, beautiful damsel that I want to get married to.
Mister or sir, if I should understand you properly, are you talking about my Iruka, my fiancée, my woman?
What impetus?
The love of my life. Are you talking about her? What is it? Just leave me alone. Eh? Sir, please, with all due respect, Iruka is my wife to be and she is my woman. Leave her alone and go back to your wife. What is it?
Let me buy grandma.
Hey! Come back here. Come on, what's your problem?
Look, when Agbani talks, everybody stands still. If I don't even breathe,
It's not I will die now if I don't breathe.
then die. Can you imagine that impetus? You have the temerity to mention my woman, my future wife, as your what? Your Iruka?
Sir, you are a married man now. Eh? Iruka is my wife to... What is it? Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Eh? What is it?
Can you listen to your friend? Ha. Now, let me tell you, I can understand your dreams. You know, children do have pipe dreams. I mean, lofty dreams. To them, they are lofty, but they're actually pipe dreams. Because when I was young over there, I used to dream of removing the president from his, his seat and take over his beautiful wife.
Sir, if it's that one, even me, I dreamt of having 500 houses in Banana Island. And I'll be the world footballer.
Of course. So you can have such dreams. I don't blame you, but I can understand. You know, children, kids, they can have lofty dreams. And, well, to them they are lofty, but to me they are pipe dreams. And not to worry. Just note that you are around Agbani. I can change your life completely.
Sir, please. I don't understand what you're talking about. What do you mean?
Okay. Let me come to you straight. Tell me, how much do you need? Name any price. I will pay you so that you can leave her alone to concentrate on me. How much do you need?
Sir. Say it. Sir, with all due respect, Chief Abani or whatever you call yourself. But leave me alone, Officers. What is your problem? What is it? My girl can never be bought with money. So I advise you to go back to your wife and remove this nonsense you call a car out from my way.
Are you mad? Why did you touch this car?
Imagine
that. Are you crazy? I don't want Wahala. Hey! Okay. Come back.
What is it?
Sir, come
back here.
Come back here.
I don't want Wahala.
Come back here. Oh, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You mean you have the audacity to touch my car?
Sir, go! Leave me alone! Leave my way!
Look, just hold on.
What do you want me to do?
No, hold on. Now, let me tell you. If you are prepared to lose both ways, well, it's your problem. Because whether you like it or not, I'm going to marry Ruka. Right?
Of course.
Good. I am going to marry her
over my dead body.
Then you will die!
You can never marry her.
I'm giving you this open check. Take it.
I don't want your check. I don't want anything from you. Leave my woman alone. Go back to your wife.
Let's go. Sir, my hand is not there. I don't want Wahala.
Yeah, I understand, young man. Yeah, I can see.
I don't want anything. Leave my woman alone. What is it? What is it? Go.
What is go to where? Let them go. Let them go.
Take me out of here, guy.
Let him go. Who is he? Who is he safe in this village?
Samahad is not there. Me, I don't want wahala.
I don't want anything. Get out. Get out. What is it? What is it, safe? What nonsense? I should leave my one. Get out. Don't worry.
Guy, you will die, yo.
Thunder fire you.
That man will kill you and kill your spirit.
Wait, Ofo, let me ask you a question.
He will use your spirit for ritual. Me, I'm telling you.
What are you even talking about, sir? What are you talking about? Eh? Can you say your love because of money?
What is
You
love?
know I love this girl so much, and I'll marry her. I'll make her my wife. You're asking me to accept 5 million naira from him. 1 million naira from him. For what? For what?
You know what is 5? Someone say you will give me 5 million. You're talking about love. So are you well?
I should sacrifice my woman because of money. For what now? Is that how you do? Is that if that's the way your mother gave birth to you, do you think you'll be alive today? If I didn't they told your mother that they'll give you they'll give her 1 million naira and they shall abort you, would you be alive today? Don't do that. Don't.
Abort me is good now. If abort me, another person will give birth to me. Maybe in America or China or
you think it's like that? Listen, let me tell you. Let me advise you. Don't ever sell your love because of money. Don't
forget that. I'm telling you.
Listen, let me tell you something. Don't you believe in yourself? Ofo? Let me ask you. Don't you believe in yourself?
The one I've been believing. What happened?
Don't you believe that one day you get a private jet and that nonsense that guy is carrying is carton? Don't you believe in yourself? So someone will just come from nowhere now and say you want to marry a woman and give you money, you just leave her like that. For what now?
Me that has been believing that I'll play football more than you. Did I not play football? Did I not play?
I love my woman. I love my woman. I cannot leave her for money.
Yeah, I told you. Everything is right. Sometimes this is the believing. When they talk about the money, so I just accepted it. I'm telling you.
You're not going anywhere. Nah, you are not going.
Get out of my way.
You are not going anywhere. Nah.
What is your problem?
You are not going anywhere. Nah, you are not going anywhere.
What's your problem?
You are not going anywhere.
Don't you know I'm a busy man?
Busy.
Get out of my way.
Look
what
at
is
you.
it?
Busy. When your daughter is in there, she has not eaten for the past 2 days. She has not even taken her bath for the past 2 days.
What is my business with your daughter? Am I the one who told her to lock herself inside? Am I the one who told her not to eat or take her bath for the last 2 days? Your daughter decided to lock herself inside.
Our daughter is in there because of your greed. Oh yes, it's because of your greed. Now, what has come over you? What's your problem? What kind of a father are you? Where is your conscience?
Okay, so I have committed sacrilege for wanting the best for my daughter. Is that what you are telling me?
So, what my daughter wants for herself? Can you make even what for herself? Are you trying to deny her what she wants for herself? Yes!
What of all the money I spent in making her look that beautiful? The way she is now? What of the money I spent on her education? Go around this village and look for a man who was able to send the daughter even to primary school. But I sent my daughter to the College of Education. With my little connection, I got her a job at the primary school where she's teaching. Now that she's supposed to pay me back, all she does is to gallivant the whole village with that wretched fool. And you are here talking to me. What is wrong with you?
Can you just listen to yourself? You are not calling him a wretched fool. Can you just listen to yourself? That boy has been spending a lot of money paying your laborers in the farm. No, you are not calling him a wretched fool. Now, where is your conscience? Where is your conscience?
Obiageli.
This is wickedness.
Obiageli. Obiageli. All I'm doing is what a good father will do for the daughter. That is all.
Listen to me. Iruka is my only seed.
She's not my seed.
Let me sound this to you. I am warning you. Just listen and listen good. I don't want to know whatever you're planning with that man. Chifawan. I don't care to know whatever. I don't know what she has given to you that is making you to act this weekend. But let me tell you, if anything happens to my only child, hey, you will see another side of me. I will make sure I make life miserable for you. Mr. Busyman, you can now go.
Okay,
nonsense.
Abeg, it's me she's talking to like that. It's okay. I will see to that.
Chief. Good chair my in-law. How are you? Fine, Chief. Wait a minute. Has anybody ever told you how privileged it is to be referred to as the in-law of Chief Agbani?
No, Chief.
You are indeed very privileged. And why are there no food and drinks around? Obadiah.
Yes, Chief.
Chief, why is it that they didn't provide food and drinks for my in-law?
No, Chief. He offered me. I told him that I don't want.
Come on. Why would you reject the food provided to you by my people? I mean, this is Chief Agbani.
Chief, that's not what I'm here. I came for something else.
So why are you here? Talk to me. If this help that you want, you're not a helper. I can help you with anything. Particularly now that you are my in-law, you know? So tell me, why are you here? What? Stand up! Stand up! Who are you to sit down? Chief Agbani is standing and you are sitting?
I'm sorry, Chief.
Is it because you are privileged to be my in-law?
I'm sorry, Chief. I'm sorry.
Who are you? Obadiah?
Yes, Chief.
Can you imagine that? Don't tell me why standing, my friend. Why are you here? Tell me.
Chief, I came to tell you that this marriage of yours cannot work again. My daughter is proving stubborn. I've been trying to talk to her. But every day in fact, she said that she cannot marry you. That is over her dead body. I have done everything within my power. But she's proving more stubborn. Chief, and I love my daughter. I don't want to lose her. I just want to tell you that you can take back your land and that I will return the 500,000 naira you gave to me. Please, I don't want to lose my daughter. That is what I came to tell you. Thank you, Chief.
And where do you think you're going?
From
Ojena! Come up here! I said come up here! Can you imagine that? He walked out on me!
Chief, calm down. Calm down. If his daughter doesn't want to marry you, then let her be. Chief, you are a wealthy man. I am sure all the women in this community will be ready to offer themselves to you on a platter. You have the connection, you have the money.
Obadiah, you don't understand. You still cannot understand, Obadiah. That man and his family have derided me. And I will deal with them. Nobody goes against the wishes of Chief Agbani and goes scot-free. And for that girl, if I don't marry her, nobody will. Yes, nobody will.
Chief, you want me to take that little boy out of the way? Chief, if you ask me, that will be too condescending for a man of your caliber.
Obadiah, yes, Chief. Who are you to tell me what is condescending or not? Who are you to tell me what to do? Between you and I, who is paying who?
You are paying me, Chief.
And you have the audacity to tell me what to do, Chief Agbani.
I'm sorry, Chief. I'm sorry if I crossed my boundaries.
You better be. You better be, because you certainly crossed it. Like I said, if I don't marry that girl, nobody will. Wait a minute. Obadiah, this is an opportunity. We can take her blood. And my business will boost the more. What do you think?
This is when you are talking, Chief.
Boost the business.
Now you're beginning to sound like a chief that I know.
I'm a chief. serious.
Chief Abba!
My son, please forgive me, I'm so sorry.
It is not necessary. I do not have grudge against you.
Please help us. Please see them. Yes, I cannot do that.
My love, my heartbeat, the woman that makes me happy, my joy, my happiness, my morning dew, the sugar in my tea. Please come out and listen to me.
Go away. Leave me alone.
My love,
You say you will not marry me.
I am so sorry. Please, I am so sorry to have nurtured that kind of thought in my heart. Please, my love, come out. I love you and I must marry you. Please.
Are you serious?
Yes, my love. You know you're the only woman that makes me happy. I cannot do without you.
Are you serious?
Yes, my love, please. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. Come out. Come out, please. I'm here to make amends. I want to marry you. Sorry.
Promise me you never leave me alone.
I cross my heart.
You promise?
My daughter, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I have realized my mistake. I will never force you to marry any man you don't. Oh? Paul, I give you my consent. Yes. Just anytime you are ready, bring your paper and we accept you. She's yours. My daughter. Aquam! Aquam! Oh.
I don't know you go.
Here I come, my love again.
Iluka. Ilu. Where are you going to?
Uru, you can see me.
Which one is you can see me? Where are you going to?
I'm going to my maternal home.
Your maternal home? Eh? Why? Your marriage ceremony is in few days' time. You are supposed to be here preparing.
My mother's people have not been informed. I want to go and tell them.
Iluka, it is not in your place to go and tell them. It is your mother that is supposed to go and tell her people. Eh? And then you stay here. Okay. What if something happens to you as you are going there now? You see your skin now.
Urungwa, you worry too much. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Okay, no problem. Let's leave that one aside now. Remember, we are friends. Eh? Why didn't you tell us so we can follow you to your maternal home? Why?
I'll be back before you know it. I'll be back before the marriage ceremony.
Iluka!
Urungwa, tell my father, the man responsible lives amongst us.
Iluka! Oh! You are doing sakala for me. Because I am asking you something.
Hey. How are
morning.
you? Yeah, good morning. How are you doing now?
I am fine. Hey, Paul. I say, let me come and ask you. Why did you allow Iluka to go to her maternal home alone?
Why did I allow Iluka to go to her maternal home? How? No?
She did not tell you.
No.
I saw Iluka around the road. And Iluka told me that she's going to her maternal home.
My own Iluka told you she's going to her maternal home.
Why? She said she's going to tell them that her marriage is closed.
What is going on now? I was with Iluka yesterday and she told me she's coming this morning to be with me and then follow me to my shop later in the day. I don't understand. And if she's going for her marriage, whatever you call it, it's not her responsibility to do that.
Exactly what I told her. No. I told her. I said, Iluka, it is not in your place to go to your maternal home and tell them all these things.
Well, are you saying that she told you herself?
I saw her. No. I saw her along the road.
Isn't it somehow?
She even told me something. She said I should tell her.
Hey! Hey! Hi, what you going on? Hey! Jehovah! Jehovah! Polo! How do I explain this?
Can you just calm down?
Hey!
You guys are confusing me this morning. What is going on now?
Mama, this is a terrible headline.
What is it? Now, can you just talk to me? What is going on here?
Come see. What is it?
Listen, if it's for life, I don't have anything to give you.
It's not life anything, no! There is fire on the mountain, Polo. There is fire on the mountain. Hey!
Can you just stop all these things?
Hey!
What is it?
What is it?
Polo.
What are you talking about?
Iruka.
What about Iruka?
Iruka.
Yeah?
Come. What about Iruka? What happened to her?
Iluka, what about Iluka?
What happened to Iruka? My woman!
Hey.
Fat.
Oh my God.
Iluka, what? No.
Iruka.
What happened to Iluka?
It's not Iluka, it's Iruka. Chalum nozo. Hey, Polo.
Wait.
Hi.
It's okay. It can never happen. What is that? Don't even talk to me like that. Somebody killed my woman and the person is sitting down here with us. What are you talking about? My daughter cannot die like that.
Calm down.
Somebody killed my wife. It's okay. Why don't you want to tell me that this man is a ritualist?
He's a ritualist. Let us calm. How can people coins go die like that? It's not possible now. What are you saying?
Somebody killed my woman and the person is here. Are you telling me to calm down? Let's kill the person too. A life for a life.
Well, please. Let us hear her at first before we speak our minds. Please go ahead.
Thank you very, very much. God bless you. I cannot rise against the dead. I saw her and she told me that if I'm here is responsible for her death.
Oh! What are you? Hey!
My elders, instead of calling me a liar, ask him why he killed my best friend. No! Ask him.
You think we don't know? You think we don't know?
Oh! It is crystal clear now. Abani killed my woman. Abani killed Iruka. What are you doing, yourself? Let's be straightforward here. Ask him why he killed her. You are asking me to calm down.
Your accusation and allegation are both heavy and weighty. Do you know the caliber of person you are accusing? And again, I want to ask you, are you sure you were not dreaming when you saw Ikiruka? Oga, sit down with a tarpaulin cloth. It's not only cannibal, it's carnivorous animal. Are we here to rap music? You want to show us that you know how to rhyme? Accusation and allegation.
To know what people are saying, I am still on my ground. I am still saying what is right. He killed my woman. He killed Iruka. She already said it that she saw her in her dreams.
No. It's not in my dreams. I saw her kolo.
Oh! Kolo, that means reality. Please, Oga, what happened to my woman? What happened to my wife? What happened to Iruka? What happened?
It's okay. Ha! Chief Abba, you heard what she said. What? Is always supposed to get heavy allegation. What is it you've been doing here? They're talking about your dead daughter. Instead of you to talk, you're saying, Huh? My name is Chief Agban, the richest man in this kingdom.
Okay, forget that.
Shut up! I'm talking. Shut up! You imbecile! I'm talking. You are talking.
That means when Dangote is talking, we will now disappear. We evaporate in the air now. Because Chief Agban is talking, we will not talk. When Dangote or Apes and Upo is talking, we will vanish now.
Who is Dangote when it comes to wealth? Yes!
Oga, have respect. Only one trailer load of cement will change your life.
Who is Dangote when it comes to wealth? Yes!
This guy doesn't have respect. Dangote.
His wealth is not up to 1/4 of mine. If you must know.
Yeah.
Now let me tell you a little bit about myself. You see, my wealth is beyond boundaries. I mean the size of my wealth. In this community, the water you fetch, the river you fetch it from was bequeathed to me. And nobody fetches water or fishes in that river without my consent.
Yeah.
You all know that.
Is this why we are here? Is this why we are here? My friend, talk.
Will you just shut up?
Is this why we are here?
Rude Papa! I'm talking, you are talking. This is Chief Agban, the richest man on earth. If you must know that. No, let me tell you. As you can see, my wealth goes beyond boundary, and I am so rich that I don't have time. My riches. In fact, I am rich in cattle, yams, cassava, just name it. In fact, my land, the expanse of land that I have, will feed your generations both unborn forever and ever.
Hey, what are you saying now? Answer the question.
You just shut up.
Answer the question.
Just shut up, let me finish. Because you must know who I am for you to know that I cannot come down to your level. Look, I am the honorable member representing this community, I mean your community, and indeed 3 other communities in the State House of Assembly. All I do is to make money, to grow my wealth. And in the process of doing that, I cannot stoop so low to do these kind of things that you are talking about. I mean, why should I kill her?
Because she refused to marry you. Refused to marry you.
Chief Agbani, you suffered. She refused to marry me. Nobody refuses to marry Chief Agbani. In fact, women bow before my shadow. I can buy any woman I choose to buy. And in fact, if I want to kill somebody, I mean, it's not a child of this good for nothing purpose.
Hey.
I mean, they cannot feed. I have been the one taking care of them. Ask them, they had nothing to do. I was the one feeding them and taking care of them. I gave him a large expanse of land, ask him. They were eating from the gutters when I met them. I've been the one taking care of them. If I want to kill somebody, I should be looking for children of great people. I mean, Bill Clinton, Donald Trump. So in fact, I don't have any reason to kill my love. She was my love. And I was to marry her. I don't have any reason to kill her. My people, you have heard from him. He said that he is not responsible for Nkiruka's death. And if I may ask, Uchenna, what have you to say?
My people, I don't have much to say. Yes. But if Chief Agbani claims he did not kill my daughter, let him swear before Abara.
Now that you talk, now you make point. Very simple, oh. Let him swear to prove that he's innocent. Very simple.
He must swear. Abani, you must swear.
Elder Silas, you know me very well. Of course, so is Elder Madu. I'm not, I don't know whether you are aware that he's sick. That's why he's not here. You know very well that I am a specialist at helping people. You know that. So, and there's no way I could do this kind of a thing. People have a saying that the stomach is not afraid, and that is why it is in front. So if it takes my swearing before Amara to prove my innocence, that I didn't kill my future wife or the woman I wanted to marry, so be it. I am ready to swear. But please know it, that even with all what you've done against me, I'm still ready to help all of you. Because my second name is Helper.
Point of correction, she was not your love, but you must swear. You must swear before Abara. Yes! You must swear.
Very well then. Afokasi, please, take a word to the chief priest. Ask him to come here now. Let all of us witness the oath swearing before us.
Oh yes, very good.
Will I take a bottle of life if I'm coming?
Just, yes, anything. Let him come with every power. Come now. And now let us.
Okay.
Let him come. And I will prove to you that I am innocent.
Let's see.
My daughter, I want us to consider this allegation. Before we go to the shrine of Abara, are you sure what you told the elders is what my daughter tells?
I know what I am saying. I saw her. I saw Iluka. Baba, he looked very little. I believe her. I believe her. Nani, she is telling the truth. Oh yes, I know. She is telling the truth. I had a terrible feeling a day before she died. Oh yes. My daughter was hale and hearty. She could not have died just like that. Someone killed my daughter. Oh yes. Someone killed my daughter. Why Mama just won like that? Iluka, where are you? Abuwa magana pumo funwa nwero. Opa ya Jesu kwa. Obi amo wanu mo. Obi amo wanu mo. Hey.
My daughter, I want us to consider this allegation. Before we go to the shrine of Abara, are you sure what you told the elders is what my daughter tells?
I know what I am saying. I saw her. I saw Iluka. Baba, he looked very little. I believe her. I believe her. Nani, she is telling the truth. Oh yes, I know. She is telling the truth. I had a terrible feeling a day before she died. Oh yes. My daughter was hale and hearty. She could not have died just like that. Someone killed my daughter. Oh yes. Someone killed my daughter. Why Mama just won like that? Iluka, where are you? Abuwa magana pumo funwa nwero. Opa ya Jesu kwa. Obi amo wanu mo. Obi amo wanu mo. Hey.
What's going on? You were seated here when I left. Now I'm back, you're still sitting there, staring into space, doing nothing. You have neither eaten anything or had water to drink for days now. Eh?
Mama, Iluka is no more. Iluka is no more, Mama.
I understand what it means to lose him. But you're not going to starve yourself today.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What is it that you want to talk to me about? Be fast about it because I'm back with
My husband, I heard you're about to take an oath just to prove your innocence.
And my wife thinks that I am going to die after taking the oath because I am everything but innocent.
Far from it. I just want to remind you that Abara is a merciless deity. And it is nothing to play with. You see, my husband, there is no shame in admitting it if you have a hand in that girl's death.
So you are among those that believe that I have a hand in that girl's death, right? No, that's what you're saying. You feel I am responsible for her death? Now let me tell you. Come tomorrow and we go and take that off. And I will come out clean. And we put all those doubting Thomases, including you, to shame because I am innocent. Now, if you don't have anything else to say, excuse me.
I'm trying to see something and you're walking out. Don't want to listen to me. Eh? Anyway, it's not my business.
The fowl eats stones, sands, and gravels, and yet it says they have no teeth. They have teeth. Will it eat gold? Abani, it then say that you are not responsible for the death of Iruka. Kneel down and swear before Abara. Kneel down and swear before Abara.
You expect me to kneel down? Agbani does not kneel down before anybody.
Can you imagine? Uncle, just turn this man to Tonton. Just turn him to Tonton.
Will you just shut up? Silence!
Imagine that he cannot kneel down.
Silence before Abara.
Chief Abani, please respect the chief, please. Go on your knees. Are you talking to me?
Silence! Abani, you then say that you are not responsible for the death of Iruka. Then take this and swear before. Repeat after.
I am not responsible.
Then take this and repeat after me. If I, Abani, is responsible for the death of Iruka, let Abara strike me dead here and now.
If I, Chief Agbani Omekanaya, is responsible for the death of Iruka, may Abara strike me dead here and now.
My people, Abara have heard Abani and have absorbed him and exonerated him of the death of Iruka. He is innocent.
Eh? You see? I said it that I am innocent, but none of you believed me. Today, I will be exonerated by Agba. I forgive you all.
Abara have had it. You may all go. Abara him.
Thank God it's covered. Thank God. Hold on. Let me touch up. Iluka, again any costo. Again Iluka. What is it? No. Eh? Iluka. Sure, my parents. Yes. The man responsible. Disappear. She has disappeared us again.
Another dream?
Yes.
You have to be mindful of the kind of dream you have these days.
Here! Am I the one responsible for my dreams?
But you lied. You lied against an innocent man. A man that has been so wonderful. He's been very nice. An innocent man that has been helping people in this community. You lied against him. If not for his good heart, he would have been in police custody by now.
Chief Armand is not a good man. He made you people to believe. He's not.
But Abareson arrested him.
Mama, he is not a good man.
Ah.
He is not a good man. Oh, I am shouting it now.
I can see. You are not the chief judge, Ekwa.
Nakwa.
I'll be there with you.
What is all this? What is all this? Eh? Billionaire. Is this why I left on the chat to come to the village? I came to the village because I hear that sharp guys just landed from Europe. And I'm here to see if I can grab one or two. Look, it's your fault. It's your fault. Keep appearing and disappearing.
This life you're seeing is nothing. Forget these things we are doing, do you know who I am? All this Buddha, do you know what I can do? Are you mad? Do you know you are nobody? We are dust. In a twinkle of an eyes, everything will just scalabash. That's everything will be badadash. That's everything will scatter. Anyway, let me forget. What I'm trying to say is, if someone will tell me that today that I will not see Iruka, Chibuko is nowhere to be found, I will not believe it. Eh? I've tried. It's only you. It's only you. She's also, as in, she was my friend, my own friend.
I presume you're poor.
Yes, I'm poor.
You're under arrest for the murder of Nkiru Kabusheni.
Hey, I'm not done.
Anything you say or do,
Officers, like you guys are mistaking me for someone else. What? Yes, I am innocent. Yes. I mean, she was my girlfriend. How would I? I'm innocent, sir.
You're innocent? Yes. Fine. Young man, you have the court of law to prove you're innocent.
Yes. Man, officer, wait, calm down first. We all need to calm down. Life is not that serious, so. Every time you have the right to remain silent, everything will be used against him. Which court of law? Both of you will know that there is no court. You just can lock him up now. He will stay there for days before we come and bury him. You're saying court of law. I'm trying to tell you that I know this man.
She was my woman now. How would I keep my own woman?
This man you're seeing here cannot hurt a fly. Even flying cockroach cannot hurt it. Me you're seeing here is stronger than this man.
Yeah. That means you killed her.
Kill who? No, I've not killed anybody. What kind of rough place that was? You did. It has not got. No, I didn't kill anybody. He cannot do such a thing. Maybe you're mistaking me for another person.
I did not kill anybody.
We are
talking about her.
His own girlfriend.
Woman. How will I kill her?
For what now?
Do you know his girlfriend?
Do I know his girlfriend? What kind of English is this one?
Hey, move him.
Come.
Move him! Oh, you think you come after you? Come on.
Move. Move it.
Come on, move.
Officer, take it easy now.
Come back.
Don't worry. I'll come and tell you. You will not sleep there. It's not possible. You didn't do anything. You will not sleep there. I'm coming for you. Stupid people. Look at him saying you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. He didn't even wait for court of law. He's just handling him without even knowing if he's guilty or not. Officer will be here. The other one is here speaking. Do know he will come to Guinea? It's not only do know, it's Duduka. Go to school, people will not go to school. It's only to arrest innocent people. Don't worry, yeah? Are you sure it's not?
What is wrong?
She is possessed by a very strong and vindictive spirit.
Can you hear her?
If I try to heal her, I will end up killing myself.
Hey!
I have been warned to stay clear. She alone can set herself.
Ifoma, this is my new wife. Chizoba is her name. And Chizoba.
Yes, my husband.
This is my first wife. Okay. She's Ifoma. Greet yourself, sir.
How are you?
Chizoba.
Yes, my husband.
If you need anything in this house, don't hesitate to ask. Okay? You have servants at your beck and call. Okay. Obadiah is here. Though he's my right-hand man, but if you need his services, I will oblige you that opportunity. Okay?
Okay, my husband.
And Ifoma, make sure you cooperate with her. And you cooperate with her also. Okay? You know, Chief Agbani is a very rich man. In fact, the richest man in the whole universe.
You know what I mean? It goes without saying, Chief. Of course.
Somebody was telling me the other day that there is Dangote. Who is Dangote where I am? You know what I mean?
Chief, he was just blabbing.
There is enough money to take care of both of you. And even the other ones that will come. Okay? You know what I mean over there? Yes. Okay, so, Ifoma, you take her in, show her to her room, okay? You go and have some rest.
Thank you, my husband.
Yes. Yeah, I can go. Obadiah, like I told you, make sure everything goes as planned. Okay? I don't want to see any mistake. Okay? Good. Take care of everything. All right. Yeah, good boy. All right. Thank you, sir.
No. Oluchi, I will feed you and you eat. Wait, let me get food for you. Open your mouth. You will not kill me in this house, oh! Hey! Mama, it's okay now. It's okay. Allow me to dance to my God, oh. Eh? Do you know what your marriage to Chief Agbani has brought to me? Eh? I am now a respectable woman in this community. In fact, I now get preferential treatment anywhere I go to buy something. Let me shock you. Do you know that I hear people say, don't mess with her, don't mess with her. She is Chief Agbani's mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, hey! And you ask me normal praise God. Hey! To crown it all, you are now pregnant for Chief Agbani. Hey! Omekwara yozo! Obi huku chideke mekwara yozo! Obi huku! Oh, my darling, don't mind your mother. Bikonem, how are you?
Well, Mama, as you can see, I am fine. I thought that is fine, Mama.
Hey, Adam, Japan will be fine, Jeff. Who owns this car?
Mama. Okay, Mama, this car, it's mine. My husband bought it for me because I am pregnant.
It's a guinea.
And he promised to buy me a bigger one.
Hey!
I put it.
What did you do, Adam? Hey! Oh,
Mama,
God, you are wonderful. It's not only one car.
Yes,
your own
Mama,
car.
It's mine.
Hey! Hey!
Centralize.
You're gonna be fair, cow.
Mama, it's okay.
Thank you. So this one for my daughter. Praise. Hey!
Mama, it's okay.
Hey! 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 Hallelujah. There's something you said. He said he promised to get you a bigger one. A bigger one! If you dig her, I know what he can do.
Yes, sir.
Otokuna do. Oh, and he will do it for you.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Adam. God bless the day Chief Agbani walked into my home.
Amen. Amen.
Father, thank you. Thank you, Father.
Thank you.
For the blessings brought to my home.
Mama is okay. Mama, look at this small type of food. I want to manage.
Hey! Ada is small. Chinwam kedifi bukita. Small.
Let me help you.
Is it help? Hey! Don't even try it. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Oh,
yeah.
Let me.
Don't worry, I will carry it. So I heard you go around the village telling those who care to listen and those who don't care to listen that you fed I am my mother. What is your problem? Why are you whining like a child? If you feel I owe you anything, why don't you come to me and ask me to pay you? And I will even give you more.
There is no amount of money. I repeat, there is no amount of money that you can pay me that will be enough. What I have done for you. There is no amount of money. For the last 2 years, I was with you. There is no amount of money you can pay me.
Why are you sounding as if anybody forced you to do it? You did it out of your free will. Why are you acting as if anyone forced you? Did they put gun on your head? See, I just want to warn you. I'm a married woman. As you can see, I'm heavily pregnant. Stay away from me. Stay away from me in Kanu. I don't need to tell you what my husband can do. I don't need to tell you. Stay clear. Stay clear from me.
So this is what we're saying. If anyone had told me that you of all people can be this wicked, I would never believe it. Wicked and demonic. But wait and see. You will not go scot-free. You will not go scot-free. Okay.
You can say whatever you like. I have already told you. Stay clear from me.
Come and enter. You will not enter this car.
What is the meaning of this?
Never!
What is the meaning of this?
Driver, no more time.
See?
That's
how we kill you.
Start
That's how we kill you.
Hey! Okay. You are not going anywhere. Come and move.
What is wrong with
Come and
man?
move.
What is wrong?
Come and move. Come and move.
I will run you over.
Run me over. I will not come back.
give me my child. You must give me my son. Okay?
Please calm down.
You must give me my son.
Calm down. Please calm down. Let us hear ourselves out. Please, calm down.
Jojo, there is nothing to hear. In fact, this gathering shouldn't have held in the first place. See, for this little brat, this small boy, to suggest that my friend Chief Agbani here, the wealthiest man in our community, a political juggernaut, an astute political godfather.
I want to start very soon.
Is that the person that this small boy we say is not responsible for his son? Eh? He's suggesting to us now that Chief Agbani here cannot father a son. That's what he's telling us. Look, Chief Agbani here is already a blessed man by God.
My son.
And when God blesses somebody, it runs in his wealth.
My son.
He's not your son.
It also flows in the number of children that he has. Are you hearing? Somebody whose blessing runs in his wealth. And it also runs in the number of children that he has. Is that the kind of person that this small boy should be sought? I would suggest that this boy here should be given to the beast in the evil forest for them to feed on him. Come and eat him. Or, better still, you hand him over to the police for persecution.
With my son. Now, let me move. Please, you should calm down because this is a very serious allegation. In the history of our community, this is the first time such matter will arise. But first, let me ask an important question. Children, do you know this man?
I know him. Our village is a small community, so everybody know each other.
Not that kind of know, you know. Have both of you had a kind of knowledge of each other?
Huh? Why?
Yes!
Say yes, because we have done it. We did it, and you know it. You were opening it too wide. It was literally you.
It's a lie.
It's the truth. It's true. You see this boy? I must collect this boy.
You lie.
Last, I will use Bluetooth and collect this boy.
You will see. I'll use the Bluetooth to collect this boy. Please
You
come.
lie.
Okay. Or highest, you send it to me on WhatsApp. I want this boy. I collect it to me.
Wait. Please. There's only one way to find out the truth. Come on to a figure. Who is saying the truth?
I'm the one saying the truth.
Come next market day. We will visit our ancestral oracle. Abana.
Better.
If we go to that place, whosoever that is saying is lying, you won't even like the repercussion.
Ichie, let us go tomorrow. Let us quickly. Let's go tomorrow. If possible, this evening. We'll go. Lantern and Paraka. We'll go to chief priest and not let him come out this night. Let's do it this night. Tell God to fast it. Let them break so that tomorrow will come. Let's go. Or even possible.
You and I know it. So, how do you expect me to start looking inside that bush? Looking for someone whose biodata have not been captured by the government. Okay, wait. If I die in that bush, the news will carry that me, Okoro, the officer of the law, a white animal accused me or something. Eh?
Okolo, you know that you are an officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Bam, I know now.
Fedla.
And embarking on this journey will bring you honor.
Honor? How?
Award now. They go give you award as the
and promotion.
Hey. Yes, as the prestigious, gallant, Ajawired officer in the Federal.
Wait. You mean I could become the DPO?
Even TCO. Pure CEO, everything will get old. They will give you.
And it will give you opportunity to light your name in the sands of time.
Hey!
Even TCO.
My plans have worked. In fact, I've always wanted to become the DPU. Thought I would teach that wicked man a lesson that calls himself a DPU. Huh?
The time don't come now. So go.
me.
Go ready, make we dey go. No time.
When do we leave?
This afternoon.
This afternoon.
Now. Go now. Now.
Urunwa. It's because of you I'm doing this. How?
It's okay. You mean it's because of her that Teller will kill you? Or it's because of her that you die on your way to Damascus?
How is your business? Eh? If I die because of her, how is your business?
It's okay.
Eh?
It's okay.
How is your business?
Let's go, Bond, let's go.
Tell him that I'm an officer of the law.
We'll go and get.
Let's go, fast.
Should we wait for him?
Let's wait for him now, because as I'm seeing him, he may leave from the backyard. Let's just stay here and wait. Yes, now. Hold that well,
Boatman. So we come down now.
This is where we are going.
Okay.
Now you go move first now.
Wait.
Move first. Hold down.
Easy. Yes. Oh, my bad is here. If you put your leg in my sink, but we don't have a choice than to come down.
Hold down.
Oh, it's sinking. I said it looks like okay. I'm coming out. Are you coming?
Yes, sir.
Come. Be gentle. You need help? Okay. Lydia can manage himself. Let's be going.
Take her there.
You can die there if you want.
When I lock your shoe, you sink our boat. See, you get that So where is the place now?
This way.
Which one is this one? How will we now go back?
Don't worry. There is a different path to the way we came. Come.
Don't worry, man. They don't follow me.
Abara buru madu be akwa ya. Eze ndị mmụọ. My orders. Abara has.
Please tell us, what did I want to say concerning the patent of this child?
He is of the bloodline of your main card.
Wow! I said it. I said it.
He belongs to Nkanu.
Hey!
Abani here. It's not the father.
Hey!
Because Abani cannot father a child.
You see? Hey! Oh my God! You see?
Chimo!
Liar! Mama, this man is a liar. Hey! My husband here, Agban, is the father of...
How dare you speak? Oh my God, have spoken.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! Hey! Hey, what the?
Don't you dare touch her. Even in death, she's still cursed.
Hey!
Except you want to join her.
Hey!
Abara is still as strong as he was centuries ago. Take her body to the evil forest.
Evil forest!
That is where she belongs.
Up you, Abara, up you.
Please now, please. Please, don't go it from her, please. You can't abandon me. This critical point in my life, please. Don't abandon me, please.
Chief, leave me alone. Chief, leave me alone. For the very last time, leave me alone. I'm warning you.
Mama, don't leave me now. You can't possibly abandon me at this point in time.
Chief, leave me alone.
No, this is a critical point in my life. Don't leave me, please.
Chief, leave me alone. I am warning you for the very last time. Leave me alone!
Please, I beg you. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Please.
Chief, you have mine though. Chief, what be tagging me? You still have the mouth to tell me to forgive you. I've lived with the pain of childlessness over these years, thinking that I was responsible for not being able to give you children. I never knew you were the cause in my life. And here you're telling me to forgive you? See, the part I can't even forget at all is the part that you keep calling me names. What did you not say to me in this house? What did you not say to me? You called me a witch and you called me a basket. Oh my God, what am I even saying?
Please now, it's a mistake. I withdraw those names. You are not a witch.
Chief, I can't.
Please come. I'm sorry. I withdraw all those names. You are not a witch. Neither are you a basket. Please, forgive me. See, let me tell you. I'm a real man. I can get you pregnant. Any number of children you want, you will have. And I promise you one thing today. I will make you the greatest woman in this community. Anything you need, I will give you. I will buy for you. You know I am Chief Agban. I help people outside, not to talk of my own person. You are my own wife. Anything you need, you don't be a very rich person. I have money. Please.
I forbid you, Chief. I forbid you. I don't want anything from you. I don't want anything from you. You are personal to anybody that comes around you. Whatever. What I want you to know now is that I'll be coming back tomorrow to take the rest of my things. Please excuse me.
No, let's still let me. Please, what will I do with all my wealth now? I'm looking for people to help. The person in my home that I'm supposed to help, I can't help now. She has gone. I'm done.
Let's go.
No. When this is all My love, when this is all over, you and I can do the needful. Yes.
What is the needful?
We'll get married and give birth to beautiful children.
Here. Children?
Yes. See, my love, I know that one day, Yokoro, I'll become the DPO. And if I do, I will make sure I will overthrow that wicked DPO. And I will use my power, judiciously, to protect you from any harm. I will do it for you.
I think that is worth thinking about.
Come, what nonsense are you? What rubbish? Is that why you're here? No, is that why you're here? No, I'm asking, is that why you're here? You call yourself a police officer that is following us, escorting us. Instead of you to be in the front and use your gun, you're here talking about it.
Look, Ofokansi or whatever you call yourself, do you know I can get you arrested here now?
Time they come, you want to become DPO. DPO you will not see. Even traffic warden you will not see.
And when this guy is like a fellow?
Nah, make sure not so. Nah, shut up. They will arrested.
You know I can arrest you.
Shut up. Okay, come and turn this guy to the egg.
Please, don't follow inside this liver.
Now can't go me and Juliet.
I will make sure I end your life in cell. And you will not get any life there.
You cannot do more than.
is very good.
We'll rest here for now.
No, you people should come and see that thing I'm saying. Look at someone that is calling himself officer of the law. He's sitting there already. Is it not fit to check the perimeter and the centimeter, even the LUCL of where we are? You just sat down immediately.
Put her down, put her down. Put her down.
You're calling yourself officer of the law.
Do you know you're talking to an officer of the federal government of Nigeria? Do you know?
My friend, with federal republic, it's not only it's federal republic of Nigeria and Congo. You're very mad. You cannot do anything.
For vacancy, I will deal with you when all this is over.
Oh, good. No need to check the safety of who you came to escort. You just went to sit down. Is that what they taught you in that? Come on.
And I will make sure you not get a bottle of light beer in that detention.
It's a lie, yo. Nobody can stop me from drinking light beer.
Okay.
Please, leave him now. Leave him.
It's not leave him. Did you see he just came and sat down? Is that the way it's supposed to be?
Is this why we are here?
Is him that you asked now? Is this why we are here?
What's up the law?
Two of you. I don't want this problem here now. I don't want this problem here.
Consider I'm officer of the law.
Two of you. Don't do this now. Go into the bush and go and fetch firewood. I put up handling.
Come on, go. Who move it?
Please. I am very hungry.
Hungry? Come on, there's no bullet in this gun. Leave all this thing you're doing. There's no bullet.
I will shoot you and you will die here. I say move it.
Look at this man, though. You shoot one wood. Yeah. Let me go and bring firewood for my woman. Don't follow me, oh. Don't follow me, oh.
Why the animal will just eat you up?
After you say you love me and I'm hungry.
Warn him.
Let it go.
You see him. No, come and go now.
No, it's not. Me, I'm discussing with the SM. My SM will book something. Food for me and you to eat. He has gone now. I can get firewood anywhere. Leave him. Let him.
Hey! Vacancy.
Don't worry, my love. Leave him. I'll go and fetch firewood for you.
It's firewood.
Who is it?
Why are you shouting?
Badly. Badly. I saw Orochi in my dream. She was crying. And I went to her. And then she turned
turned into a demon and attacked me.
Someone we are trying to help attack.
See how Ruchi here. Ruchi.
You had a bad dream. It is clear to me now. Dark spirits are with us on this journey.
Dark spirits?
It is no longer safe for us here. Come with me.
Please help me.
Let's go.
Help me up. Help me up. Julia, wait. Please, come and help me. Sharon, now.
This one is risky. It's not for this.
Yeah, shut up there.
My friend, be doing it.
Move it.
Julia has gone, no. Julia has gone. Julia, wait. Julia, wait for us.
Move, follow them. This man is a very useless person.
Libya.
Get done, right.
My children, I am tired. Let us rest. My bones are not as strong as your bones.
It's true.
Okay, hold on. We can rest here.
Okay. There we go.
I'm coming.
But where to now?
I want to go and ready myself.
Leave her alone! I said you should leave her alone.
Thunder fire your generation there. Stupid man.
Monkey block us, you fire.
Come on.
Don't fire.
No, Rambo. Don't mind this guy.
Don't fire it.
Stand up there. Stand up there, madam. Stand up, I'm talking to stand up there. Ah! Is that not Nana's voice?
Don't even go there. He has been taken already.
By who?
The dark spirits. Now listen. We have to be careful. If not, same fate will befall each and every one of us.
Okwezemo, let him go and check what happened to it.
Who should go?
No! Except you want him to meet the same fate.
No. Let him go now.
No, if I want, you come and go.
Listen. This place is no longer safe. We leave. Move it!
Dibia, wait for us now. Dibia.
Move it!
Move it.
Dibia, wait. Dibia, wait for us though. Wait for us. Mama. Dibia, wait for me.
Move it, move it. Move it.
Stop! Stop. What is it? Are we not getting to the
place? I'm tired of this journey. I'm tired of.
He said she.
Who are they? Who are you people? And what are you doing in our land? We are passerbys. We are on a journey and will come in peace.
You have no business intruding into our land. You all will have to come with us now. Who are they?
Do not worry. They are dark spirits from the underworld.
Spirits is telling us to come with them. To where now? Come to where?
You have to explain yourself to our king. We will go nowhere with you. Allow us pass. Now.
I'll have to seize you. Do not move, as I will shoot you. We would have to seize you.
Don't used to hear word. They told you spirit, you're still turned to fire. You're still turned to fire now, see. Spirit. You see that thing that I always tell this boy. We have to leave. We have to leave.
Quickly, this way.
Let's carry him at least. Let's take it to his people. His family needs to see his body.
Come now.
No, we just take his body to his people for burial.
If there's no burial, let's be going first.
They need to bury him now. We cannot leave him here.
Let's go first. Let's go.
Dibia.
Yes.
Is this the place?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the place.
Where is he?
Where's when I greet you? Wise one. We have a problem. That is why we are.
Don Malukuchuku. Ukebola keje papa ne apaka no ebolongu. Ekenyati fola da no ifuke kaini ujene pufwe papa ma. Akiti kanyi eh. Iku Pemla boy Billy Habino.
He says she is filled with evil and death.
Odinya nepe yang ne ajongmua.
He is asking you a question. What did you do?
Okon! Okon! Has this idiot got? Where is everyone? I don't know, Chief. The whole compound is deserted. Where is everyone? This is strange.
Chief, welcome, sir.
Where is everyone? They've all left. To where? I mean, where would anyone in his right mind defy Agbani? How? Look, I'm going to look for every single one of them, and I will deal with them. Don't they know who I am?
Chief, there is a bigger problem.
A bigger problem? What is it?
The palm and the banana plantations have been goated by wildfire.
Wildfire? During rainy season? That is impossible. Are you sure you know what you're talking about? How?
Very, very sure. There is no single tree at all in the farms.
Chief, no, Chief, are you okay? No, Chief, don't do this. Help me now! Chief, don't do this. Help me!
Doctor, what is the matter with Chief? Will he be all right?
When did this happen?
This afternoon.
This afternoon?
Come, tie her here. Tie her here. I greet you, wise one. I greet you.
Is she dead?
No, she's not dead. She is only asleep.
Okay.
Yes, she will be well. She will be well. Thank you, wise one.
Ebo, ina go kitama. Nka pa futu miye. Nka pa futu miye. 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 Jegbe de bota je fieje. Na kiti kanyi. A kiti kanyi. Jegbe de bota je fieje. Jegbe de bota je fieje. Wo fieje. Wo fieje. Wo fieje. Jegbe de bota je fieje. Pa futu miye.
You'll be fine. Please, can I see you privately?
You want to see me in private?
Yes.
Doctor, I hope everything is fine.
You'll be fine. And you, do take good care of them, okay?
I will, sir.
Don't move an inch from here.
Yes.
What did the doctor tell you?
Chief, the doctor is of the opinion that your situation is more or less spiritual.
Did I? Yes, Chief. You know me. Of course I know. How? Why? Why should my situation be spiritual? All I've done is to try to perpetuate my bloodline so that my wealth can be taken care of when I'm not around anymore. So, what is spiritual about that? Still there. I think I need another wife.
Chief, another wife in your condition. Chief, with all due respect, if you ask me, I think that will be digging your grave.
Will you keep quiet?
Sorry, Chief.
Digging whose grave? Oh, are you wishing me dead?
No, Chief, no, I can't possibly do that. I'm only concerned.
Obadiah.
Yes, Chief.
I am a very wealthy man.
I'm aware, Chief.
My wealth is unquantifiable. So, if I don't gather people and take care of them, what is the essence of that wealth? So, my mind is made up and my decision is final. I am going to marry another wife.
Your wish is my command, Chief. Okay, I will arrange for that.
Go and sit on that chair.
Thank you very much.
Wise one.
Please, can you let her go?
He says no. He says she has to be here. She has to be here for a while until she confesses.
Confess what?
What did you do?
About my friend, I suggest you let her be. I have tried all I can to make her look your way, but she has chosen the path of poverty. So please, let her be.
Oh, gee. Life is about making choices. She made her choice and I'm okay by it.
So, why did you invite me?
You know, Agban is a man of peace. I want to extend my good hand of fellowship to her and also wish her well in her marriage. Okay. I have something for you.
Okay, sir. Oh, sir, well, you can still give it to her.
She has refused me seeing her, so I need you to help me give it to her.
This is beautiful. All this for someone who does not even appreciate it. Why is it that fools always get lucky? This is beautiful. But if she knew it came from you, she might not accept it.
Does she have to know? Do you want to tell her?
No.
Have this.
For me?
This is a bag. Look, there is more where that came from. Yes.
Consider it done. I will do it.
Good. And as soon as you deliver it, contact a bag.
I will do it for you. Thank you, sir.
Is helping people. So if you stop them, how can I help?
I'm sorry, Chief.
Good. Young lady, what do you want? Who are you?
Wait, Chief. You mean you don't recognize me? You don't know me?
Look, young lady, if I know you, I wouldn't be asking. Eh? You know, I'm a politician. Eh? I'm a businessman. I meet a whole lot of people, but you know that. I'm a businessman.
Yes.
So, what exactly do you want? Because I don't know you. What is it?
Chief, what did you do to the gift you gave me to give to my friend Iruka? What did you do to the gift? Yes!
Obadiah, Chief. What gift is she talking about?
I am not aware of any gifts, Chief.
Huh? You killed my friend, Chief, and I will tell everyone what you did to Iruka. You are a wicked man. I will tell everyone what you did to her.
Young lady, you wouldn't be that foolish to open your mouth and say anything. I mean, I feel you are wiser than that.
Why?
Yeah, because you'll be stoned to death. That is the consequence.
What did you do to my friend, Ifakani? What have you done to Iruka? What have you done?
Look, let me tell you. You were given a contract and you executed it very well. Yes, and you were paid for it. Now, if you are wise, you will close that your dirty thing, that thing you call mouth, you will close it. If not, you'll be choked to death. Yes. Now, Obadiah, see her off.
Chief, you're very wicked. You're wicked. It will never be well with you. You're very wicked. It will never be well with you.
Say to you.
You're wicked. God will punish you. God will punish you. Leave me alone. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. It will never be well with you. I got you. I got you. It will never be well with you.
I did not kill Ruka, but I know who did. Who killed her? Who killed her?
If it's not you, then who?
You are saying that Chief Awan really killed my daughter?
Yes. Chief Awan is not the man he claims to be. He is a bad man. A very bad one at that.
He will tell me. Hey!
So what next?
My wife, I don't know.
Don't know. So this is going to be swept under the carpet?
What do you expect me to do?
Hey!
I can't fight Chief Awan. He's a powerful man. I don't have what it takes to fight him.
So no justice for my daughter. Oh. No, Mama. Hey! Mama, if the elders and the police refuse to help us, Mama, we must get justice for Iluka. Wham! Either by hook or by crook. Wham! We must get justice for Iluka. Hey! We must get justice. What are you talking about? Eh? What are you talking about? Eh? Does this mean justice has been denied?
Justice denied? As what now? I am fighting that man tooth and nail. As I'm talking to you now, I've laid a competition, petition against him, signed by 100 million youths. That's the way we are going to strike him, Ogadia Kafim.
Ofokamsi, we all know how things work in this country. Justice delayed is justice denied.
You need to calm down with your English, eh? You need to calm down. We are fighting the man. It's not like we've forgotten anything.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Eh? Is it because she's not your sister? Is that why you are behaving like this?
Iruka, my only typical. She was my good friend. I don't joke with her. So the same way it's paining you is also paining me like that. Lily now. Lily, very Lily.
You know what?
I am going to fetch the elders. I will fetch them. Eh? Why are you?
What is all this?
I'm not afraid of him. Urunwa. Hey, see the way you're walking. Everywhere is angry. Everywhere is just angry.
I think his mind that is only meant to be angry. It's not the whole place. Hi. Hey, corruption everywhere. Eh? Everywhere you go, left, right, center, corruption. Hi. Even in the village, even in the village, there's still corruption. After you say the government are bad, the government are this, but corruption starts from the village. Imagine the Igwe and the elders saying that there is nothing they can do. Eh? After saying the truth, the truth is very clear, and they're still saying they cannot do anything.
I am not surprised. I am not surprised. I expected this from them. Eh? But you know what? I wanted us to exhaust every legal option at our disposal.
Super. Legal disposal. Hey! So, but you need
not
to...
make me rough. It's a serious something.
You need to break it down now. Small. It's not... So, what you're trying to say now is that we are ready now to fight Ifaba.
Exactly. Eh? It is time for the youth to take roles into their hands. Since our elders cannot protect us from evil and vicious men like Chifawan.
But the thing is, you know, a men that have liver like me, it's not everybody that can fight anybody like me. Because all these men you're seeing in this village, they don't have power. Chifabani will drink them like the way I drink live beer. They don't have power and we are not even plenty. Hey!
Paul! Paul, is this you?
Full flesh and blood.
Poloski!
I'm happy.
Yes. I had all your conversations. I am tired of running.
Good.
I decided to come out and face Abani. Face to face.
Good. That's it.
Man to man.
Good.
And fight him. If possible, kill him.
Kill him.
For all the pains and agony he has caused each and every one in this village. Good. It's time to bring him down.
Good. It's time to bring him down. Who does he think he is? Eh?
Now, focus. I want you to organize the youth. I want you to organize everyone that is ready for this fight. Okay. I want us to go and meet Abani. I want us to stand and tell him that we are ready, that we can overcome him, that we can deal with him, that we can fight him for all the pains and agony he has caused each and everyone in this village.
Yes.
We'll deal with him, bring him down.
Hello. Have you eaten? Because you need to eat. You need to eat very well before you fight that man. For my own, you need to eat food.
Oh, fuck, look at you now. No, look at you. You think everybody is like you? Everybody cannot be like you.
Me, headline master, as this man now, he himself is afraid of focus.
Shift.
Let us go there and match up. Let us go there and meet him. Let us go there and deal with him for everything he has done in this village.
Why you just spit on me?
Justice for Iruka.
Justice for Iruka!
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 Justice is not Iruka! It's not Iruka!
Justice for Iruka! Justice for Iruka! Justice for Iruka!
That is it. We all need to fight with agility. So that is the only way we can win this fight. Without coming together to form that formidable force, we cannot win this battle. We have to digress. We have to liquidate, persuade. Let's leave this English for today. But what I'm trying to say is, we have to come together to fight this. This man cannot overpower us like that now.
But this man is a very powerful man. Just one phone call now, our community will flood him.
Just one phone call, your community. So you're scared of him now? Eh? Or just say one blue like this, you enter inside bush. Or you use your blue fan belt. This one you're looking like that thing they use for gate to check oil. You're just scared for nothing. We have to fight, don't be scared. If we come together, don't you know what it's called? You go be when we come together as one force and fight. Besides, the powerful he is today in this community, we made him powerful, so we can also stop him. What are you saying?
That's true. The victim of that man's evil act in this village.
Oh, yes. Oh, you were confirmation strong man. You're very strong. That's why I like you.
I want you to call the youth. But I want to join people fighting him.
Oh, yeah, what are we now saying? He's part of us. Even though Carin is part of us, you're just coming scared.
I'm ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Very good, very good. Since we now have one mindset, everybody will move. When people will be out, they'll now be giving order from the back so that everybody will be moving forward.
That one first. I want to join you. I want to fight him.
The head.
I want to destroy him.
So everybody will now get ready, and move. Me, I'll now move.
Don't talk about that. Leave me alone. What nonsense is that?
Paul.
What is it?
Paul, stop now.
Stop what?
Please, don't do this.
Don't do what?
Please.
Don't do what? Abani shattered my life. He shattered my plans. He shattered everything about me. He got me arrested. He killed the love of my life in this village. Okay, fine. I went to the city to look for daily bread. I came back here with nothing. Nothing to show for it. Nothing. And you're asking me to shut up my mouth and let evil reign in this village? Is that what you want me to do? For how long are we going to keep quiet and let evil thrive in this village? No. Never. No way.
Paul, you know I've lost you before. I don't want to lose you again.
Please, come off it. Come off it. You're not going to lose me. You will not lose me. Even the spirit of my love can never allow anything to happen to me. Never.
Paul, Chief Agban is not an ordinary man.
How do you mean? He's not an ordinary man, so how does that concern me? What do you mean by that?
Let me tell you something. Everybody in this village knows that Chief Agbani is diabolic. That man is evil.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
If you must get involved in this, then you have to be fortified.
Fortified? How?
I am very, very sure this thing is no longer news to any of us. A lot of our girls have lost their plights to this man because people see him as a philanthropist. I have seen mothers send their daughters to Chief Amani to go and assist him. At the end of the day, he will turn them into sex slaves. My question is, are we all going to fold our arms and watch this evil continue? No!
Chief Abani has caused each and every one of us here pain. Luka was one of us. She was a very good girl, loved by everybody.
Yeah, very good girl.
But now she's no more. See, Uru, I am with you all the way. Let's deal with Chief Abani.
Thank you, Neka.
Meet your day with you complete, 100%.
Oh! Gradis one name. See, you alone is 10 people.
Yes, so
10 people.
I go kill them.
Thank you. Who else is with me on this?
I'm with you. Hey. I'm with you.
Hello. Hello.
Hey,
are you sure?
That man is very, very powerful. I mean, shut up. You're my child.
Who else?
Me too. I'm with you.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm with you.
Who else is with me on this?
Are they complete? 100%.
Hey, Gladys. No problem. That means justice for Iluka.
Yes, so yes. Justice for Iluka.
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 Justice for Iluka. Justice for Iluka.
Justice for Iluka. Justice for Iluka.
let me promise you here that I personally will give you my full support. And I will also go ahead to convince other good elders that will listen to me to give you their support. We can't continue in this manner. We can't continue this way. This man, he has beaten more than he can chew. I think it is the right time. And the time is now.
Yes, Iche, we the youth, we want to protest. We want to take what rightfully belongs to us. God. Thank you for your support.
Thank God for people like you in this community. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do to make sure this community comes back to normal.
Thank you.
You sent for me. And since I came in here, all you do is pacing around the house. You have not even said anything yet. What exactly is the problem, Chief?
Will you just shut up? Will you shut up? I talk when I want to talk. If you are not stupid, you won't be asking me frivolous questions. What am I paying you heavily for? No, tell me, what am I paying you for? If you cannot protect my interest in this community.
Chief, I need you to calm down. Yes, calm down and put your acts together. And explain to me what exactly is the problem. What are the problems?
Can you imagine that? No, can you imagine the impetus that I should put my acts together? Who are you to tell me what I should do? Why should I calm down? If you are vigilant enough, you would have known that some youths of this community are staging a mass protest against my person and my businesses.
Oh, come on, Chief. You and I know that can't be possible. Even the youths themselves are in perpetual regressive fear of your personality. No, that can't be possible, Chief. It can't.
Perpetual regressive fear. Yes. I know you have a strong hold. I mean, your grammatical prowess is something to be commended. Now, let me ask you a question. When last did you carry out mass arrest?
Well, it's been a while. There was no need to effect any mass arrest because they have not done anything to warrant it.
You are a fool. You are a fool! Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? They have not done anything that warrants mass arrest. You are very stupid. How can you keep them in perpetual fear if you don't carry out mass arrest? Answer me. I mean, common sense should tell you that if you arrest some, then the rest will run away. You are telling me they've not done anything that warrants mass arrest? Are you thinking?
Yes, Chief. You have just made a point. I am going to make some arrest as soon as I leave here. Yes.
You see yourself? You see how dull you are? Let me finish. Hold on before you pick that call. You see how dull you are? So you need me to tell you what you should do. Pick your call. Chief. Idiot.
Hello, OC. What's this call all about?
What?
What are you saying? No. This can't be happening now. No. Okay. Alright. Oh my God.
DPO. What is it?
Chief, I have a big problem at hand right now. My OC just called me. The station has been raised down by fire and stones by the angry protesters.
You can't be serious.
Chief, I'm serious. Even the policemen right there now, they've all taken to their heels. No. Chief, there's nothing that can be done. As it stands now, every man to himself. I need to just look for a way to cover myself up.
As soon as I get out of this jail, I can assure you we'll continue from my house.
What of me?
My head first, Chief. Please, I need to go.
Chief, please. You're walking out of me. Come here. Hey. What insolence? He walked out on me. Justice for Iruka! Justice for who? Justice for who? Justice for who? Great youth of our land. Today is the D-Day.
Yes!
Today is the day set aside for every bad terror in this village to be possible. We the angry youth, they are ready. For the useless man called Chief Abani.
Yes!
We shall march to his house.
Yes!
Bring him out.
Yes!
Man to man.
Yes!
Spirit to spirit. Body to body. We are saying enough is enough. Enough is enough. Justice for who? Justice for who? Are you happy with this situation? Are you happy with what is happening in this village? Do you want peace?
Yes!
Do you want justice?
Yes!
Do you want love?
Yes!
We move! Where you were? Where you were? Where they want you? Where you were? Where you were? Where they want you?
This can be happening now.
Where you were?
Jesus!
Where they want you? We move! 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 Justice for Iruka!
Justice for Iruka!
Justice for Iruka!
Justice for Iruka!
Get it! You can get it! Get it!
Are you sure this thing is not shrine? Huh?
Let's hijack this protest.
Huh?
Let's hijack this protest.
Hijack this protest?
Yes, sir.
No, now we are not hoodlums now. We are here for justice for Iruka. And that is what we are going to do. I think we are hijacking protest. You've forgotten the reason you're here. It's justice for Iruka. Let's go, let's go. Let's go and catch the
Idiotic commissioner. The man that is feeding from me. Now all his numbers are switched off. So what is the point putting him in my payroll if I cannot get him when I need him? I am Chief Agbani Omega Raya. The Ojudigbo of Umudiala Kingdom. I fear no one. Let them come. I'm ready for them.
Stop all this shit around putting your key. We must go inside.
Yes! Stop!
Justice for Iruka!
Justice for Iruka!
You all have until the count of 5 to exit this property.
You say?
Ready?
No way!
Take a short trip to hell.
What is more hellish than what your boss has done to us?
Don't move an inch.
Oh.
Move
I will shoot.
Come, we are not moving an inch. We just want to enter inside. So just go out of the way. Let's enter inside now.
Now listen to me, Obadiah. You have 2 options left. For whatever we are doing this minute.
Wow.
It's either we go in there peacefully or we do it forcefully.
Yes!
Justice for Iruka!
Justice for Iruka!
Let's go!
I am not joking. Get out now!
You cannot do anything to us. Yes.
Obadiah, you will die here.
Yes.
I'm not ashamed of yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You were supposed to be one of us. But because of your greed, useless character, you prefer to join an undeserving man like Chief Banished. Well, no problem. I can see you want to join your ancestors.
Yes. One bullet.
Justice for Iruka!
We move! Justice for Iruka! Justice for Iruka!
So, you have finally come outside. Wicked man.
Yes, I'm out. So what's next?
You will die!
You go die.
That we will drag your naked body to the village community. Show them the evil one. Yes. We will love you naked. Yes.
We are I think you should kill me in a more honorable manner rather than shouting. Look at you. What do you think you can do?
Stop talking nonsense. See your bodyguard gone. I have a bodyguard gone. We have killed him here. In this flower.
You are still talking. So this imbecile.
Calm down.
So this imbecile can talk. Look at him.
Look at this. Maka.
Oh.
Abani, today is the day of reckoning.
Wow.
You must die today.
Are you ready to kill him?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
We move!
And you look at the imbecile. You don't even know how to cock a gun.
Fire! We move! We move!
He did not die.
Look at him! Is that the best you've got?
Hey. This time, out my energy. Shoot him!
Yeah, shoot him!
Shoot! You must die!
We move!
We move!
We move!
We move! You must die!
Okay. Now, take this. You are playing with a bar. Who else wants to join him?
You go away!
Wait, I'm fine. Don't eat here now.
You must die today!
Stay. What have you got? Yes.
Whether you like it or not, today, you will see smells.
Yes! Yes! Must die today.
Is that the best you've got? Is that the best? Okay. Now, take this. go. Let us go. This guy will kill us.
Stand in the man. Yes. Your sister will kill us. Yes. You are right. Give him.
Let us go.
No. You will die today. You're not giving me a place. Nothing is happening. You will die today. You must die. You must die.
We move to the gate.
This is our perfectly. Shimbaraba.
Is that all you got?
Shimbaraba. Debe Baba. Baba. Debe.
Yes. Remove. What is this? Shoot there.
We move.
Now listen. I want you and you, go inside here. Search everywhere in this house. Anything you see that looks like infectious material.
Bring it out.
Take him to the place where I'm going also.
Yes.
We move.